Okay guys, this year about to end, okay? Next year, we must put double effort in our video, our article. So, Swaswasi, what did we just cover? Summarize for me.
Sure.
Wow. Okay, 2 hours,
Wait, how did you manage to come up with the summary so quickly?
Easy, because I got Samsung Galaxy AI Note Assist. So with my Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra here, all you need to do is just to tap record and it will record down the meeting and transcribe it. It will recognize all the speakers too. After transcribing, just click summarize and there you have it.
Wow, not bad, but like in 2 hours you're supposed to come up with the product image?
I got sketched the image.
But it's a lifestyle image.
Let me show you. See, I just need to download the product image that I need and use my S Pen to click out the sketch to image and tilt the opacity, and I can overlay and sketch on it. Here you go, boss. Your lifestyle product image.
Wow. But now, I have another problem. Translate this script to Korea because later I need to present to the Korea boss and find me a song.
Okay, no problem.
10 minutes,
Done, boss.
Wow, so good one this tablet. What tablet is this?
I'm using the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Equipped with all the Galaxy AI features, it really eases up all my work. Plus with DeX mode, it works just like a laptop, and this large dynamic AMOLED plus anti-reflection screen here, even under the bright sun, also no reflection.
Ooh, okay lah. Later you present to client lah. This tablet's okay.